Hi, my name is Amandeep Dubey and I am the co-creator of the Envirotechlive platform. In this short presentation, I'll walk you through one of the important tools that environment officers today need to make a point with the management and create a more compliant and responsible industries in the country. One of the important requirements for environment officers is to create presentations or reports with which they can substantiate their focus areas. And environment reporting traditionally has been a very cumbersome process. It takes a lot of time because there is a lot of time that one needs to be able to extract data from a desktop based application that a lot of the industries are currently using, or it requires one to compile a lot of data from various emails that gets sent to them from various managers in different stations where environment monitoring is happening for their industry. Now, I'm going to show you a quick and an easy way with which you can quickly generate a report using the Envirotech Live platform. So the first thing that we will do is we will go to the browser and go to envirotechlive.com. The first thing you will do is to go to envirotechlive.com and input your username and password. After you have done that, you come to this maps page. Here you are able to see all the stations that are installed and measuring environment data for your industry. So the first milestone of any report is to ascertain which data point are we using and when was the data last captured. So from this page, as soon as you click on any of these legends, you are able to see a quick snapshot of that station's information. So apart from getting the location of that station, the longitude and the latitude, and when the data was last updated, we're also able to see what the current values are, what the average looks like in the last 24 hours, what was the minimum and what was the maximum. So this is an important page, so we'll leave it like this, that we can insert it into a report. So how do we do that? Very simply, just open a PowerPoint. Let's call this station synopsis. So all you need to do is click into the text area, go to insert, look at screenshots, and this screenshot is already zoomed up for our requirement. And here we go. Able to quickly capture the basic information about the station that we are going to be talking about. So let's move on. Let's come back to Envirotech Live, and from here we go into the advanced search area. So as soon as we go into the advanced search area, we come to this query interface, which works on the latest Ajax technology, which means no page loads, no waiting time, no continuous page in a hand, no time for it to get the data from the server. This is a beautiful and a highly efficient system for doing a lot of things that you will need to do with the data by staying on just one page. So from here, the first thing that we do is we select the owner of the station. So if you are in industry, pretty much on this drop down, you will see your name. And if you are a service provider offering the data management service to your clients, you can have a drop down to see which customer data you want to look at that moment. So from the owner, you select the owner's name. And as soon as you click on stations, the station list for that owner gets updated automatically. You select on a certain station and you click on this button add. As soon as you add that, you are able to see all the parameters that are getting measured on that station. So let's just pick up one parameter. Let's just take PM10 for now and see how PM10 values have fared from January 1st to, let's say, January 7th. And I want to look at a graphical data from which I can select different types of graphical data that I can look at, and I click on generate report. I have with me the information that I need represented in a graphical format. Now let's say I want to do a comparison of this station and this parameter with another station. So I come to the station menu again and I click another station. So let me click another station from here. I see a new tab has opened up with the list of parameters that are getting measured at the station. I select the same parameter and I again click on generate report. So as you can see now, without the page load, within this area, the graph is updated with the data points of the same parameter for another station. I can also add as many number of stations to do a multiple comparison as I want by adding any other station of the same or any other customer, and I can see the complete graphical information here. So in PowerPoint, we realized that we created one milestone of geolocation of the station we want to talk about. What do? I simply come to screenshot, and this has already been zoomed and set to size for my requirement. And here I go. I have two solid milestones on which I can base my report. So coming back to Envirotechlive, I want to also take the data points or data values of this time window for these two parameters for some other calculations for reference to whomsoever I'm sending this information to. So all I need to do, I need to come to grid in place of graph, and I click on generate report. As soon as I generate report, as you can see with the lightning fast speed, I get the complete report here now, and I want to attach this information with the presentation. So all I need to do is come to export, and from here I have a lot of ways I can export the report. I click on Excel, I again click on generate report. So as you can see, a multi-station data is now available with me very quickly that I can use. Very quickly, I showed you a quick and an easy way to create milestones of your report very quickly using the Envirotechlive platform. So if you are an industry looking to integrate all its monitoring data in one place, Envirotechlive may be the right platform that you need to integrate your ambient air quality monitors, your stack monitors, your water monitors, noise monitors, or any other form of monitoring that you may be doing within your industry whose data is important to you. Or if you're a supplier or a manufacturer looking to provide data services to your customers, I would urge you to spend some time on this website, look at the features, look at the other information provided here, and see if it meets your needs. And if you have any questions, please drop me a line at aman.dube@envirotechlive.com, and I shall get back to you. Thank you very much for your time. You have a nice day.